I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Planet Zoo in mobile, full guide. Tap Settings first and set resolution to match your device to keep smooth gameplay. Next, import or create a save and enable cloud sync so you never lose progress. Build a quick path, place one habitat, and add water and shelter. Test guest flow, adjust staff shifts, and save frequently to lock in improvements. In this segment, we focus on core mechanics for mobile play. Start by selecting a species and check space, enrichment, and temperature immediately. Place enrichment items at one strategic location and leave room for future expansion. Assign a keeper and trainer to speed up welfare improvements. Use the mobile toolbar to rotate and finesse habitats, and keep an eye on the budget to avoid sudden shortfalls. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tips and tutorials. Quick recommendation. On another note, try these leak-proof containers that make meal prep easy and perfect for long building sessions between saves. They save spills and time. I put the link and more deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Designing on mobile benefits from a few practical tips to save time and look polished. Focus on modular builds using repeated pieces to keep frame rates high and editing fast. Group shops and restrooms near high traffic areas to boost income and comfort. Use landscaping to guide guests subtly toward exhibits and viewpoints. Test routes by following guests in free camera to spot choke points and adjust paths accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.